Oh, somebody got shot. Or stabbed up. Oh, forget about it. Look at the whole precinct out there. 40, 50 cars. They is going crazy. Look at these. Look at them. The detectives, the homicides. I wish I could get closer. Wow. Yo, somebody just got shot in the building. Yeah, they just ran him out the ambulance. Wow, look at these. Look at them, they got their guns out. Oh, they gotta rush that nigga to the hospital, B.